You know, in the world of high-performance equestrian sports, it all comes down to that connection between horse and rider. Today, we're going to take a look at Bartl Manufaktur, a company that's all about perfecting that connection through incredible craftsmanship and the real science behind natural materials. So what's their core philosophy? Well, it's actually pretty simple, but really powerful. They believe in bringing together the health and well-being of the horse with a really clean, athletic style. It's that sweet spot where top-tier equipment really enhances that fundamental partnership. So let's talk about Bartl. They're a true fell manufacturer, which is essentially a lambskin manufactory. And their whole mission is to create gear that's not just functional, but built to last, designed to handle the rigors of everyday use, from precision saddle pads to these really ergonomic seat covers. And this isn't just for the pros. Their commitment really extends to every single level of the sport. It doesn't matter if you're competing in elite events or you're a dedicated leisure rider. The goal is to give you reliable equipment that helps you succeed. Okay, so what really makes their products different? It's all about the science behind the materials they use. This isn't just about sticking to tradition. It's about harnessing the incredible high-performance properties that are already built right into these natural fibers. At the heart of it all is this medical-grade lambskin. They use a very specialized tanning process that keeps the wool's natural structure totally intact. And what's amazing is that each fiber acts like a tiny microscopic spring. This is what distributes pressure so perfectly across the horse's back. Plus, it can absorb up to 30% of its own weight and moisture, which is huge for comfort and preventing friction. This kind of technical understanding allows them to specialize. So you've got lambskin, which is the gold standard for pressure relief in things like dressage and jumping. But then, on the other hand, you have reindeer fur. It's totally different. Its fibers are actually hollow, which creates this amazing natural air cushion and provides superior insulation. That makes it absolutely perfect for the demands of endurance riding. So what does all this focus on materials science really mean? Well, it leads directly to purpose-built equipment. The team at Bartl gets that a Western rider needs something completely different from a dressage competitor. And you can really see that specialization in their product lineup. I mean, they offer everything from the lambskin saddle pads and saddle cloths to the specialized reindeer fur pads. They've got pads specifically for Western and endurance, seat covers for both English and Western styles, and even dedicated lines like the Paul series for custom saddles and the innovative Air series for better ventilation. But look, all the advanced engineering in the world has to be proven. The real test of any equestrian gear is how it holds up in the real world, day after day. And honestly, the feedback from riders really speaks for itself. I mean, listen to that. That's the kind of feedback that really defines a premium product, right? It just shows that it can stand up to years of hard use, washing, and training. That kind of lasting performance says everything about the quality of the craftsmanship. And when a professional saddler, an expert in the field, goes out of their way to comment on how well your gear lasts, well, that just reinforces the point. It frames these products not just as a purchase, but as a genuine long-term investment in your horse's comfort and your own success. This legacy of quality doesn't just happen by accident. It's really built on a foundation of core values that guide everything they do. It all comes down to a deep commitment to both the customer and, of course, the horse. And these are the principles that tie it all together. Functionality without any compromise. Durability that gives you real value. And at the center of it all, a focus on the well-being of the horse. All of that is backed up by dedicated service and a fair price-to-performance ratio. That's really what defines the Bartl Manufaktur. So if you'd like to learn more or get in touch with the team at Bartl, we've got their direct contact information right here for you. Thanks for joining this look into Bartl Manufaktur, a place where the science of nature truly meets a passion for equestrian excellence.